Hi, in this recording, I'd like to guide you through the content in Module 1B of your learning. Module 1B is all about Chapter 1 from your textbook. Almost every textbook, Chapter 1 is always the introduction to the entire field. So there's no exception. We have the Chapter 1 listed in our Module 1B as well for introducing the field of business analytics or data analytics in general. So the main job is to read chapter one, or if you want to go from the other direction, you can go into our chapter one PowerPoint slide first, and then go to the slide as a structure before you read the actual material. Uh, Another alternative is you can always go into the chapter quiz and try to see, especially for those of you who are already in the field of data analytics, go into chapter one quiz to see how much you can gain or understand from the quiz, and then come back, try to resolve some of the concept or idea that is not in sync with you with what you think originally. That would be another alternative. So either way that you should be engaging in the reading or understanding of chapter number one. When I'm designing this particular course, one of the key concerning point, if you want to call it that, is that I'm afraid that the textbook I'm selecting is not new enough. Uh, it is very important to select a very new textbook. But on the other hand, a new textbook usually has a lot of false information in there. So the textbook I'm selecting here is a 2016 version of a textbook. In year 2020 already, this textbook may be a little bit outdated. So in addition to provide more updated information, I choose to use some other external material to supplement your learning. So in module 1A, 1B, I'm sorry, I put in two additional sources for your learning. One is this link called the Teradata University Network. My original plan is that we can join the Teradata University and try to use their learning material. But it turns out that I found the Teradata University material are a little bit too technical for the course that we have in here as introduction level business analytics class. So in additional to the Teradata link that I post in there, I select actually a course from a source called LinkedIn Learning. And so this is the link take you to the UIS page introducing LinkedIn Learning from within our university. Our university has already subscribed to the LinkedIn Learning, so all of our students can go into this LinkedIn Learning and use all the tutorial and open source or so-called MOOC material free of charge. Well, it's not free of charge. Your tuition already paid for it. So I was wondering why not we using that resources as a supplementary learning sources. So to achieve that purpose, I select a course. The course that I'm selecting from the LinkedIn Learning is not the only course available in the area of data analytics. I select this one is because this course is relatively short and it cover quite extensively using Microsoft Excel as the main vehicle for learning data analytics. So this will be a good reference source for those of you who are seriously learning how to approach the whole field of data analytics. So without further saying too much, let me kind of go in there and try to see if we can go through the process. You can go directly into the second link. The second link will take you to an external link that go directly into LinkedIn Learning and take you to this course. And the course is organized in well, chapters and sections. Each section is only like 3 to 5 minutes, shorter than the video I'm providing to you as instructor. So the complementary learning that I'm introducing in this class is that in addition to read the chapter from our textbook, you also go in there and try to grab some of the external material, updated material into your learning. In that direction, to make sure that you have covered all the learning, I put into you can call this quiz. By the way, if you go into the LinkedIn Learning courses, at the end of every learning module, they already have the quizzes available for you. I cannot find the quiz directly right here, but when you go through the courses, you'll be able to find the quizzes out there. And to make the learning a little bit easier, I copy some of the important quiz questions into our Canvas system, and I put them into a little quiz like in here. In the practice quizzes area, you'll find a quiz called Linking Learning Data Analytics 1 to 5. So this will cover 1 to 5 from your Linking Learning. And so use this particular quiz after you watch the video over there will be a very effective tool for you to remember the material over there. And all the quizzes that you see in practice quiz area will be used directly into your exam. So it's very important that you go through the quizzes alongside when you are reading the chapters or going through linking learning. And so that is what you are asked to do in Module 1B. In this summer session, you should be doing this and finish up in the coming weekend. And if you've done that, you follow the class very well. And do remember to go through the quizzes to get familiar yourself with the format of your upcoming, very quickly, exam number 1 in this particular semester. That's it. That's the highlight of Module 1B. I will talk to you in another short video about Chapter 1.